Okay, this is the video you've been waiting for. I want to show you how I made this small screwdriver holder that spins, and it spins so you can see which one you need. So there's a metric on the outside, and then I got the standard ones on the inside. This isn't a paid promotion or anything, but this is I got these on Amazon. There were just some small screwdrivers I used for putting 3D printers together. So that's what this video is about, is the rotating piece. And basically how I did it was one big circle. Then I made a circle pattern out here and used the center point here, and then went all the way around 7 times, and that's how we got these cut out. Then another pattern for the outside holes, which are 4mm cut, and then another circular pattern on the inside for the inside holes. And then this size here is for those small ball bearings. I'm not sure what the size number is, but we use them for the fidget toys, the fidget spinners. It's like a normal skateboard size ball bearing. So there's that. And I printed it on a textured PEI plate. So I had a nice smooth top. And just filleted the edges and the holes on the one side. And now we go into the base. So the base is just a couple cylinders. So I have the main cylinder here, and I shelled it out with 2mm. So it's 2mm all the way around and on the bottom. Then I took another cylinder, came up to the top. That's a solid one. And then one more cylinder is for the inside of the ball bearing. So everything spins together. If you would like a detailed video of this, leave some comments and I'll be glad to do it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.